And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 106. We also have an inner shadow option under the blending options. Let me simply create a text here. I have to make that smaller. So it's a little bit of a letterpress effect. I'll press Ctrl A and center this. And now right click on the text layer, blending options. Here's the inner shadow, check the box, and let me zoom in, and maybe I'll make a smaller text so that we can make that a bit bigger. But you can see it simply projects the shadow inside of the text and not to the outside. I'll do it again. Usually normal or multiply is the blending mode that you want to choose. Go down with the opacity a little bit, otherwise it's going to be too strong, too harsh. And then you can adjust the angle, or you left click drag directly on the canvas to adjust it. You can adjust it via the distance, the choke, and the size. This is the one that's most important, I would say. Make sure that you don't go too high or too low, and by default you should have the contour set to linear. And we've got a noise option. If you just want to have a shadow, keep that to 0. And this is how you can add an inner shadow in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.